Hi everyone. Um, for this assignment, final project submission, um, this is me. So I'll go direct to the instructions in Word. So for part A, they are told us please describe for each of the following elements that will be part of the deployment in your proposal. Make sure you use appropriate language to the audience, the stakeholders at what? The stakeholders at promised land. So I wrote down my proposal. It's here part M. So in my proposal, it's an executive summary. Promised.com is expanding its IT infrastructure by opening up a 15,000 square foot secondary data center in Independence, Missouri. This proposal outlined the technical implementation of core services required to support 50 on-site employees and hybrid call centers across North America. Each component is designed to perform scalability and business and technical needs. The project title, I named it Final Project Proposal. So it's called Promised Land. These are the executive summaries. So I've uploaded it. You see, this is one of them is managing roles and features. I explained it here. We will install and manage key Windows Server roles such as ADS, DNS, DHCP, or file services using Service Manager and PowerShell. Feature sets will be tailored to each department's responsibility. So I explained others. So let me jump into part 2, which they required us for this video. So for part 2, they told us delete the old machines and install a new one. So this assignment for the new machine, I'm going to use this. I'm going to assign these people in their organizational unit in the new project. So let me jump into my what? Let me jump into my virtual machine. So this is the virtual machine. Proxy Moxie. So I'll search for my name here and I delete the account. This is my old one. So you come here, please delete, console shut down. First shut down. Yes, shut down. Does it shut down? Stop. Let me go where it is. Here. Shadrach March. I migrate. So I've removed this one. Remove. Yeah. Move is there. Destroy. Enter number code 130. Remove. So I've removed my old one. So I'm going to create a new one, a new virtual machine. Create. So let me go back to the instructions. Create a new one running Windows Server data. Visit. So I'll name the new one Windows Server data. Copy over. From stand, let me go back. So I'll IT 5 First begin with IT. So this is where we are creating it, I think. Is it generation files here? So I'll click next. They are giving 138. I'll click next. Using students image, I'll look for Windows Server 2022. Here I shall put Windows. Direct use DVD. So I'll put it back. It's here. Windows. Let me add additional drivers. I'll look for these ones. Put click next. BIOS. I'll leave that one. Controller. I think I'll leave that one. Storage. Choose this. Storage. Choose local. VM. Next. Next we shall have next disk. Let me choose 60. Storage that right back. Let me click next. Yeah, let me click next. Type and normally choose host. Sockets I'll put 2, even here 2 for I think that's a CPU. Click next. For RAM I'll leave it at 4. Click next. Network, leave it there since I'm going to install the drivers. Then confirm. Click finish. So I've created the virtual machine. So I'm going to run. Start now. No, this one is one that I deleted, sorry. 128 is it? Yeah, start now. This is one that I've just created. So it's loading. So you're going to first install our Windows Server 2022. So we have reached the screen. Click next. Click install. So it is loading kind of slowly, but you can abide with it. So they're asking for the what? For the product key. Yes, I don't have, since I don't have it here. So now here, if you click standard, just know here it's standard without desktop experience, just know it will be using only PowerShell or command lines, but you need to click desktop experience so that you use the desktop the way the desktop works like a normal computer. Click next. I'll accept. Custom. Next. Assign the disks. So our disk is there. Click next. Now it is installing. Yeah, we can wait as it is installing. So it is still installing. 95. So let's wait. Now it has finished. So it is installing the updates. Then to finish up. I think to restart is so. Installing. Now it's going to restart itself. It's going to restart. First pause, come back after installing. So we are back from the restart. So here it's asking for a password to create. I think I'll just click finish. Let me see. I need the password. Sorry. Okay, I'll put in my password. Put here the password. I'll confirm. Enter. Click next. So here we are setting up our Windows Server 2022. Yes. First pause. So after installing writing the password will bring you to this page. They're telling me to click Ctrl plus Alt and delete to unlock. So I'll use my virtual keyboard to do that. Ctrl Alt delete. Ctrl Alt delete. Let's see, is it responding? Ctrl Alt. Yeah, it has responded. So I'll type in the password that I wrote previously. Password. Write the password. It's kinda slow my PC. I think I'll get a new one. Next. Supply end user. Pairing Windows. Just wait for it to open. Mind you, this project is supposed to be 9 hours. Yeah, 9 hours. Yes. So that. Yeah, now it has opened. Okay, let's show again. So when after installing, it will bring you to this page. This is the server manager page. So from our assignment, I think they told us to do what? They told us to uh, they told us to do what? To configure, create, and share folder. So I think is it? Let me go back here to check. Instruction first. Instruction file plus storage services. So file plus storage service is what we are going to do. So for this file and thingy, it's already open the server manager. So I'll just click on add roles, come here, add roles and features. I will come to next.